Hey everybody, I'm recording this video just a few days before I head off to Florida. So I'm heading down to Florida to just chillax and chill out. So what I'm doing in that time frame, I'm pre-recording a few videos so you have a flow of Stef videos throughout that week. I'm just going for a week because I think a few weeks later I'm heading off to California for something else. So how should I close off this video? I really like what I do in terms of work. And even though I really like what I do, it's very important that you take time off from it. It's very important that you take a break so you can unwind. So it's been 8 months since I've done a vacation. So I'm going on a vacation just to chillax on the beach. I mentioned this, I think, in a previous video, but this is kind of the official video. Don't worry, as I said, I've pre-recorded and scheduled for release a few vlogs that will appear during the week that I'm on vacay. All right, if you're on vacation or whatever you happen to be doing this week, going to school, going to work, have fun.